Hello friends, welcome back to Guiding Tech, and in this video I'm going to talk about the OnePlus 60's camera, and I'll be covering some cool tips and tricks that you as a OnePlus 60 user should check out. And well, if you are not a OnePlus 60 but a OnePlus 6 user, well, you can also follow this video because all the features are almost same. So well, what are we waiting for? My name is Ashish, you are watching Guiding Tech. Let's get started. So the very first trick is to capture detailed night photos, and with OnePlus 60 you get an updated camera interface which comes with a dedicated night mode. And this new mode works by stitching together a bunch of long exposure photos. Hence, it's imperative that when you use this mode, your hands needs to be as stable as possible. Even the tiniest of shake can steal the sharpness from your photos. Though you can manually switch to night mode, but you can also set it to turn on automatically when the camera detects low light condition. And to enable this option, you need to go to settings and toggle the switch for auto night scene detection from off to on. Now the second trick is to install the Pixel camera app, using which you can get some amazing portrait blurs and night photos. Yes, you heard it right. The Pixel 3 cameras, which comes with these two features, will now work on your OnePlus 60, and all you need to do is download the APK file that I'll provide in the description of this video, thanks to the developers at XDA. And after it's downloaded, just go ahead and install it. There's no root access required, and you don't have to do anything else. It's just plain and simple install. But once you install it, you'll have to go to settings like the Google camera app settings, and there enable the HDR plus mode. Once you enable this, your portraits will have the HDR plus effects and the night photos will be more than amazing. Trust me. The next feature is about the super slow motion videos, and well, we are not just going to talk about how to shoot these videos, but also how you can go ahead and edit them. So once you have shot a slow motion videos, the next part is what brings life to those videos. And to trim a super slow video, open the set slow motion video in the gallery, adjust the edges and tap on the trim button. It's important that you trim your videos before sharing. You can also add music from the built-in library or apply a music of your own choice. And another essential thing you need to keep in mind is to shoot in a bright, well-lit area. Plus, it doesn't hurt to have a mini tripod for the extra amount of stabilization. Moving on, the next feature is to give shapes to the bokeh lighting. This feature shapes the background lighting through software processing and helps give the photos a unique look. Make sure that when you're capturing a photo, there is plenty of light. Fairy lights, street lights, or even reflection in the background will work. And to enable bokeh shapes, switch to the portrait mode and tap on the shapes icon. Choose a particular shape that you like and click your photo. There's a bit amount of lag between processing, but it's just next to negligible, and you'll get your perfect Christmas photos right there. The next trick is to use the built-in Google Lens in so many occasions, and one of my favorites is to directly copy text that you see at any random places. You can enable this lens feature through the icon at the bottom label and just point the camera. The camera will recognize the elements on its own. If you want to copy a text snippet, tap on the identified part and select copy. The same is true for translating text. What's more is that if you are going to search the internet for a product, tap on the option at the bottom. It's so helpful and super easy to use. The next and the most useful feature for selfie lovers is the option to take photos through your smile. So when you want your phone to capture the photos just as you smile, well, say hello to the smile capture feature, which triggers the shutter button as soon as it detects a smile. You'll have to enable the option in the OnePlus 60's camera setting, and once it's done, you just need to give a sweet smile to the front-facing camera. And finally, the last feature is the super awesome Pro camera mode. As opposed to general thinking, mastering the Pro mode isn't tough, and when you do, you'll be amazed to see the results, especially in low light photos and low exposure shots. Perhaps the best thing about the OnePlus 60 camera is that you can save the frequently used presets. All you need to do is go to the Pro settings, make the necessary changes to the ISO and shutter speed, and tap on the C icon at the top left corner. And finally, a quick tip is to enable the RAW mode in the Pro camera. Yes, using the RAW mode, you can capture all the details that are there in the particular scene and then edit it on your phone using apps like Snapseed, or even on your computer using apps like Photoshop, and then give those photos an amazing touch up and finesse. So those were some of the cool tips and tricks related to the OnePlus 60's camera. Well, if you like this video, please do give us a thumbs up, and if it's the first time that you have watched a video on our channel, please do hit that subscribe button right now. Well, that's all in this one, and I hope to see you in our next video. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.